We're really grateful for the support of our Summer Habitat Internship program. It is a program that we've been offering for several years, but this year we felt like it was more important and impactful than ever. We were able to offer 4 students living in the area a chance to have a real hands-on experience at Riverbend during a year where most internships were still virtual and they had spent a year at school on screens. So they came to Riverbend and they spent 3 days a week working outside, helping improve the preserve. We benefit from them bringing their different backgrounds and their passion for the environment and sharing it with each other and with us and the children at Riverbend.
How's it going? My name is David Wiener. I'm a rising senior at Gettysburg College in Southern PA. I'm currently studying, I'm a major in psychology, I have a minor in environmental studies. I think something that kind of draws me to the environment is, I think there's, in general, I think people think that there's this division between human culture and the environment, and they see them as 2 separate things, and that kind of causes this narrative of dominion over the earth. And through like my studies at school, and just through kind of extracurricular hobbies, I think that that's a very destructive thing, and that's kind of where I get my motivation.
Hi, my name is Sarah Eckstein-Indick. I am a rising sophomore at Brandeis University, and I plan to major in environmental studies with a minor in studio art. This past year I actually took the year off, and I found myself really drawn to nature, and I felt that during the year of COVID and just in general, it has provided me with a lot of solace and a lot of ability to ground myself and feel like I can be a part of the community and best help everyone. Working with Lorna has been a wonderful opportunity. She has so much knowledge about the plants and the preserve around us. Every single question I ask is met with warmth and knowledge, and I feel as though I am growing in my own plant knowledge and able to share with others because of working with Lorna.
My name is Aubrey Trainer, and I'm going to be a rising junior at the University of Maryland. I'm majoring in environmental science and policy with a concentration in land use, which I went into just because that's always what I love to learn about. I'm kind of I'm turning it into a career. I wanted to work at Riverbend this summer because I just love to be outdoors, and growing up I actually used to take field trips with school to Riverbend, and I think it's really cool that I could help younger kids get a passion for the environment like I did by helping to enhance and preserve the natural area.
Hello, my name is Josh Fingerhut. I'm a rising sophomore at Washington Lee University in Virginia, studying a double major in economics and environmental studies. The reason why I chose to come to Riverbend to work this summer is because I grew up in Havertown, Pennsylvania, which is very close to Riverbend, and I wanted to really translate the knowledge that I gained in the classroom over the school year into an actual hands-on experience this summer, because I believe that learning in the field and learning through experience is one of the best ways to learn. And in looking at places around the area, I really connected strongly with Riverbend's mission in environmental education. I've worked in summer camps in previous summers, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to work around kids who are also learning about the environment while also learning about the environment myself. And something that really draws me to environmental studies is that it can be combined with so many other fields of studies, whether that's economics, politics, law, and I feel that furthering my knowledge in the environment can just help me learn about so many other things.